What's new in CloudBees CI 2.452.3.2? On July 10th, 2024, CloudBees CI 2.452.3.2 was released. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the changes that happened in that release. Also on July 10th, Jenkins LTS 2.452.3 was released. On July 11th, I did a video with Mark Waite talking about those changes. The link to that video is down in the description. Now, if you've never taken a look at the release notes for CloudBees CI before, let me show you how to get there. We're going to start at docs.cloudbees.com. Under Documentation, go to CloudBees CI. Then under the Documentation dropdown, select Release Notes. And here, we're on the homepage for all of the release notes for CloudBees CI. Before we take a look at the release notes, I want to call out this important section to you. If you skip versions when you upgrade, refer to previous versions of the release notes for any relevant known issues or upgrade notes. What does that mean? Again, this current version is 2.452.3.2. Let's say we were upgrading from 452.1.2. I would need to take a look at the known issues and upgrade notes for 452.2.3, 452.2.4, and again, 452.3.2 to make sure I've covered everything that I need to know about doing that upgrade. As a CloudBees CI client, we recommend an assisted update to help make that process easier. There's a link down in the description about how to get help with an assisted update. Now, first off, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the release notes for traditional platform, and then we'll take a look at the release notes for modern cloud platform. In traditional platforms, we'll notice that there are no new features for this release. There were a handful of feature enhancements. One is in the CloudBees Pipeline Explorer build info bar. There is now an SCM commit and commit message if they exist. There were also a few enhancements to the CloudBees HashiCorp Vault plugin, as well as a few changes to configuration as code or cask. Let's go ahead and scroll down to the resolved issues. There were a number of resolved issues. One that I want to call out is CyberArk credentials are now replaced by the credentials from the configuration as code bundles. Again, this is an improvement around configuration as code, specifically for the CyberArk credentials. One other item that I want to go ahead and call out is at the very bottom of that section, possible RBAC cache lock issue because of the backup projects admin monitor. An admin monitor for checking backup projects caused some possible issues with the RBAC cache. That check now runs in a way that makes sure that that problem no longer happens. Let's go ahead and go take a look at the release notes for Modern Cloud Platform. So we take a look at the Modern Cloud Platform, we can see there is actually a new feature specifically for Modern Cloud Platform. There is a new controller health check endpoint when using hibernation. So now that endpoint can be used by an external health check system to generate alerts when a controller is not healthy without waking up the controller. All of the other issues are the same as what we just saw over in traditional platforms. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us on X at CloudBees. If this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to CloudBees TV yet, why not? Take a moment, click on that subscribe button, and then ring that bell and you'll be notified anytime there's new content available on CloudBees TV. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.